Welcome back to the channel, creators. If you are looking to upgrade your content and find the absolute top cameras for photography and video, you have come to the right place. Today we are breaking down 5 of the best beginner-friendly digital cameras that will take your YouTube channel, vlogs, and personal photography to the next level without breaking the bank. Let's dive in and find the perfect camera for you.
Product number 1. Aboobu 8K Digital Camera. Kicking off our list is the incredible Aboobu 8K Digital Camera, a powerful tool designed specifically for content creators who demand ultra-high resolution. This camera features a massive 88-megapixel sensor and can record stunning 8K video, ensuring every single frame is packed with rich, crisp details. One of its standout features is the gorgeous 3.2-inch touchscreen display, making menu navigation and shot review an absolute breeze. With a built-in dual camera system, you can seamlessly switch between front and rear lenses, which is perfect for solo vlogging and taking high-quality selfies. The 16x digital zoom and hybrid autofocus system work together to effortlessly track subjects, while the built-in Wi-Fi allows for instant wireless sharing to your smartphone. Packaged with 2 rechargeable batteries, a charging stand, and a 64GB memory card, the Aboobu offers an outstanding all-inclusive starter kit for anyone wanting top-tier resolution right out of the box.
Product number 2. Saneen Digital Camera. Next up is the Saneen Digital Camera, an incredibly popular choice for new YouTubers needing reliable 4K video capabilities. This camera captures sharp 64-megapixel photos and vibrant 4K UHD footage, giving your vlogs a professional cinematic look. What truly sets the Saneen apart is its versatile 3-inch 180-degree flip touchscreen, which makes self-recording and framing shots remarkably easy. You will also love the dedicated pause function, allowing you to pause and resume recording within the same video file to save editing time later. It acts effortlessly as a webcam for live streaming and video calls simply by connecting it to your computer via USB. Equipped with an 18x digital zoom, autofocus, and included accessories like a lens hood, an SD card, and a massive 3000 mAh battery, the Saneen delivers exceptional functionality and impressive battery life for extended shooting sessions on the go.
Product number 3. In-Body 5K Digital Camera. Coming in at number 3 is the In-Body 5K Digital Camera, striking the perfect balance between high performance and ease of use. This model records stunning 5K video and captures highly detailed 64-megapixel still images, making it a fantastic hybrid choice for both photography and videography. The camera features a unique 6x optical zoom, which is a significant upgrade over standard digital zoom because it allows you to get closer to your subject without losing any image quality. The advanced autofocus technology ensures your shots remain incredibly sharp, whether you are shooting sweeping landscapes or intimate portraits. The integrated Wi-Fi connectivity makes transferring media directly to your smartphone totally seamless. Designed to be exceptionally lightweight and portable, it comes complete with 2 batteries and a 64GB card, making the In-Body Digital an ideal travel companion for vloggers who need to create high-quality content effortlessly while on the move.
Product number 4. banflower 8K Digital Camera. Our 4th contender is the banflower 8K Digital Camera, another absolute powerhouse that brings ultra-high-definition recording to budget-conscious creators. This device matches the highest resolution on our list, boasting an impressive 88-megapixel photo capability and ultra-crisp 8K video recording. Its dedicated autofocus system is highly responsive, ensuring that fast-moving subjects and quick vlog transitions remain sharply in focus. The built-in Wi-Fi is incredibly intuitive, letting you connect to the companion mobile app to quickly edit and share your latest shots directly to your social media platforms. It also features a bright flip-out screen designed specifically for the modern content creator who needs to constantly monitor their framing. The banflower camera includes a powerful anti-shake stabilization feature, which is absolutely crucial for handheld vlogging, ensuring your footage remains smooth and professional-looking even when you are walking or traveling through dynamic environments.
Product number 5. XNSIAKXA 4K Digital Camera. Rounding out our top 5 is the XNSIAKXA 4K Digital Camera,
offering remarkable value and user-friendly features for absolute beginners. This compact point-and-shoot delivers vibrant 4K video and crisp 64-megapixel photography, perfect for capturing everyday moments and social media content. It features a reliable, fast-acting autofocus system and a versatile digital zoom to help you frame the perfect shot from a distance. The built-in Wi-Fi makes wireless transfer simple, allowing you to instantly back up your files. What makes this camera particularly appealing is its lightweight, ergonomic design, allowing it to easily slip into a small bag or pocket for everyday carry. It also supports webcam functionality, making it a highly versatile tool for online meetings or live streaming. If you are looking for a straightforward, fully capable 4K camera that gets the job done without overwhelming you with complex menus, the XNSIAKXA is an excellent budget-friendly choice.
In terms of price compatibility, all 5 of these cameras sit squarely in the highly affordable budget tier, making them perfect entry-level investments. The XNSIAKXA and Saneen are slightly more budget-friendly due to their 4K limit, while the Aboobu and banflower command a slightly higher price for their 8K sensors.